STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM education plays a crucial role in preparing children for the challenges of the modern world. Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think, a principle that underscores the importance of early STEM exposure. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, integrating STEM into early childhood education is essential. Despite its significance, many early childhood programs still lack a comprehensive approach to STEM education. It is therefore necessary to explore the importance of STEM in early childhood education, the challenges of integrating it into education, and the role parents, teachers, and policymakers can play in promoting it. Early childhood is a period of rapid brain development where children are naturally curious and eager to explore their surroundings. As Maria Montessori observed, the greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, the children are now working as if I did not exist. Activities such as gardening, building with blocks, and exploring puzzles not only entertain children but also introduce fundamental STEM concepts. For example, while planting a garden, children learn about the needs of plants, how they grow, and the role of the seasons in this process. These activities foster an early understanding of environmental science, biology, and engineering concepts, laying the groundwork for deeper learning in later years. However, despite the benefits of STEM learning, it is often overlooked in early education. There are several reasons for this gap. One major issue is that many teachers and parents feel unprepared to engage children in STEM topics. Research shows that both groups often experience anxiety and low self-confidence when dealing with these subjects. John Piaget, a pioneer in developmental psychology, emphasized that children have real understanding only of that which they invent themselves. Without the confidence to support STEM learning, adults may transfer their own apprehension to the children. To combat this, teachers and parents need robust training and professional development that includes hands-on experience with STEM learning. Such training can demystify these subjects and make them more accessible. Another challenge is the misconception that STEM learning is only for older children or those who excel in science and math. This belief can prevent educators from introducing STEM concepts early, missing crucial opportunities to develop children's critical thinking and problem-solving skills. According to Lev Vygotsky, what a child can do today with assistance, he will be able to do by himself tomorrow. High-quality STEM experiences in early childhood support growth in areas such as executive function and literacy development, proving that STEM and other learning domains are interconnected. By integrating STEM seamlessly into existing curricula, teachers can nurture a balanced approach to early education that fosters holistic child development. The involvement of parents and the use of technology also play a vital role in connecting home, school, and other learning environments like libraries and museums. As John Dewey noted, education is not preparation for life. education is life itself. High quality educational media and parental involvement help extend STEM learning beyond the classroom. For example, apps like bedtime math and educational programs for PBS encourage STEM exploration at home, providing scaffolding for parents who may feel uneasy about teaching these topics. Finally, there is growing recognition of the need for strong public policies and research to support early STEM education. Education policies should focus on continuity across grade levels and greater alignment with developmental science. Yuri Brenner's ecological system theory highlights how various layers of society impact a child's development. Thus, policymaker involvement is essential to fostering a sustainable and effective STEM education system. STEM education is no longer a luxury but a necessity in today's world. The goal of education, as philosopher Herbert Spencer once said, is not knowledge but action. Early childhood is the ideal time to begin fostering the habits of mind associated with STEM, such as critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. To ensure that today's preschoolers grow into tomorrow's inventors and problem solvers, educators, parents, policymakers, and researchers must work together to make STEM learning a seamless part of early education. Through hands on experience, professional development, and collaborative efforts, we can lay the foundation for a generation of well rounded, critical thinkers ready to thrive